Number 3. Even in the digital age, a mechanical watch still has a timeless appeal. One that's made with handcrafted precision, however, might set you back a six-figure sum. At that price, time really is a luxury. So let's tick this box and see why every second of how it's made really counts. In a factory nestled in the Swiss countryside, a highly skilled team of watchmakers are assembling a luxurious wristwatch. The tools of the trade haven't changed much since the days of pocket watches. This watch is powered by a mechanism called a tourbillon. Invented in 1789, its rotating gears counteract the effect of gravity on timekeeping for even more accurate results. A special tool is used to press the watch's hands onto an axle at the center of the watch. The watch will be encased with 18-karat gold bezels, sealed from the elements with rubber rings. The middle casing is now fastened to the mechanism before the installation of the winding stem and crown is completed. The bridge for the auto winding system is then lubricated. A parallel groove pattern is then engraved onto it. This engraving adds visual interest to the bridge, making this luxury watch look as good inside as it does out. Once the bridge has been set with jewels, it's ready to be installed at the center of the watch. The jewels will prevent the parts from rubbing against each other, causing wear and tear, while adding to the luxury look of the final piece in the process. The rotor that will be attached to the bridge is now engraved. The rotor will automatically wind the watch. It's a signature piece that can be customized to each customer's taste. The rotor, now complete with personalized engraving, is ready to be secured to the bridge. Even the slightest movement will cause the rotor to oscillate. This action winds up the main spring of the watch. The 18-karat gold bezel is now snapped onto the watch and secured with a special device. The press also squeezes the rubber ring between the bezel and the watch, creating a waterproof seal. The watch is now water resistant to a depth of 90 meters. The back casing screws into place, so it can be removed for maintenance work if necessary. Another bespoke tool is used to tighten the casing to the correct tension. The watch is now inspected to confirm that the rotor moves freely within the case. Next, a computer analyzes the watch. A device holds the watch and simulates wrist movement, while the computer evaluates its accuracy. The minute repeater is also tested. This is a feature on some watch models, which when triggered, chimes the time. Finally, the watch is plunged into a container of water. If bubbles appear, it would indicate a leak. This one passes the test. This incredible watch will set you back over $150,000. But as well as telling the time, it's also an heirloom that will stand the test of time.